Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily buy crypto in Trust Wallet. So to buy crypto in Trust Wallet, you have to have an account and make sure that your account is already verified. So the buying procedure is very simple. You have to go to login, and when you're actually buying your crypto, you need to make sure that you've already added a payment source or that you have enough funds. Now go to login, and from the home page, click the buy button. Next, you need to go and select the asset that you wish to buy. When you actually select the asset, next thing what you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the asset that you wish to buy. As you've done that, enter the exact amount of asset that you want. You could also go ahead and change the currency type if you wish. And next, go ahead and select pay with the any of these sources. Go ahead and select that, and when you've actually done that, click on buy with, located right at the bottom, and then you have to review all of the terms and conditions and confirm the buy. Within no time, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully bought crypto in Trust Wallet. So that is the fastest way of buying crypto in Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.